वेलकम एंड जय हिंद एमएनएस एस्पिरेंट्स। आप सभी जानते हैं कि आपके एमएनएस सीवीटी एग्जामिनेशन में जनरल नॉलेज के पोर्शन में आने वाले हैं बहुत सारे ऐसे क्वेश्चन जो आपके स्टैटिक जीके से रिलेटेड हो सकते हैं, आपके करंट अफेयर से रिलेटेड हो सकते हैं, साथ ही साथ रीजनिंग की भी क्वेश्चंस हैं। तो एस्पिरेंट्स, ऐसे में आप कैसे कंप्लीट करेंगे अपनी स्टडीज को कि आपसे कोई पॉइंट ना छूटे? तो सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी अब आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं ऐसी सीरीज जहां पर आपके सीबीटी को भी हम कवर अप करेंगे, बीच में कुछ इंटरव्यू के भी क्वेश्चंस लेकर आएंगे, कुछ ऐसे वीडियोस लेकर आएंगे ताकि आप एक ओवरऑल तैयारी के साथ आगे बढ़ सकें। तो एस्पिरेंट्स, आज हम इस सेशन में बात करने वाले हैं अबाउट द इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट्स रिलेटेड टू द प्रेसिडेंट्स ऑफ इंडिया। As you all know that the present President of India is Honorable Mrs. Draupadi Murmu जी। So, aspirants, अब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं और देखते हैं कि वो 14 प्रेसिडेंट्स, उनके बारे में क्या इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट्स रहे, क्या ऐसे पॉइंट्स हैं जो हमारे एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है। सो लेट्स बिगिन। डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद, he was the first president of India and the only president to have served 2 consecutive terms. Then Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was the second president and he was the first to have served as the vice president before being elected as the president. Zakir Hussain, he was the third president of India and the first Muslim president. He was also the first president who died in office. He was the shortest serving president of India, less than 2 years. V.V. Giri became the first one to have been elected as the acting president. Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed was the 5th president and the second Muslim to hold the post. Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy, he was the 6th president and he became the youngest to take the post at the age of 64. He is the only one to have been elected unopposed. Gyani Zail Singh, 7th President of India and the first Sikh President. President Ramaswamy Venkatraman was the first president to have worked with the 4 prime ministers and appointed 3 V.P. Singh, Chandrasekhar and P.V. Narasimha Rao. Shankar Dayal Sharma, he was the 9th president. Kochiril Raman Narayanan was the 10th president of India and the first Dalit president. At 76 years and 271 days, he was the oldest president to be elected. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was the 11th president and the first Muslim president to serve an entire term. Mrs. Pratibha Patel was the first woman president of India and the 12th president. Pranab Mukherjee was the 13th president of India and was the first Bengali to hold the post. 14th president Ramnath Kovind was the first BJP candidate to be elected to the post. So aspirants, this was all about the presidents of India. So keep remember their names and the interesting facts related to them. ऐसे ही और informative videos आते रहेंगे, तो please subscribe this channel. Let me know in the comment section your doubts and the feedback, and stay safe, stay healthy, do your preparation. Jai Hind.